All right, guys. Welcome to the Friday Directions. Pretty simple today. Still just working on our Native American Tribe project that we started yesterday. So if you didn't watch the video yesterday, here's kind of what we're doing. You and a partner, or you by yourself, kind of your call on that one. You're just going to choose one of these groups right here on our list. You can do some Wikipedia searches, YouTube searches to figure out which one you want to kind of deep dive into. And once you kind of establish which group you want to look at, here's all the stuff you're going to do and all the stuff you're going to have to need in your PowerPoint, in your poster, in your paper, in your video, your website, whatever you want to make. It's up to you, okay? Whatever you want to kind of use to be the presentation and what you want to do to turn in. And again, here's all the stuff you want to look at. We're splitting it up between before Europeans came over and after the contact with the Europeans. That's what we're kind of looking at for these things. But that's basically it, guys. Good luck working. Obviously, email me if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Have a great Friday. Do something fun this weekend, and I'll see you guys back on Monday.